Hey everybody, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to give decorations on Discord mobile. So for this one you are going to be simply heading over to your profile and click on this little shop icon right next to Nitro heading, and from here you can simply choose which type of decoration you would like to give. So you can see we have multiple type of decorations on top and we got some at bottom, so choose anything that you want to gift, and you can see we can simply click on this gift icon, select that and choose a member, and let's just say I want to gift it to this guy, and over here you can simply type in here a message, anything that you like. So this is going to be how easy and simple it is to simply give decorations on Discord mobile. If you are going to be facing any kind of issues, you can let us know in the comments below, and guys, do not forget to share it with your friends, as this is really handy information. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.